Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today, silver and gray. That's right, it's a Gaziano and Guerlain pair. This is the pair that I bought from the end of the line sale, which was very nicely discounted, and I'm very excited about it. So I have long since wanted to try this particular last. This is the Deco Square. Extra laces here, which is always nice. Shoe bags, which are nice. Now the pair that I bought in the last end of line sale, the shoe bags were kind of shiny. These are a little bit more matte, like my others. Here, of course, it has the tool here, and now look at that. Look at that blue. Isn't that blue just awesome? Look at the way that that looks. They got a nice shine on the toe. Now these are travel shoe trees, which look how loose they are. That's interesting. I actually ordered a second pair of trees, and they're even looser than this. But this is not, just look at the toe. That is why I bought them. It's for that toe. Really like the way that that looks. You can see they're freshly polished because it's stained the bag. That's why they do the bag. And look at that. So the sapphire blue is a really, really nice color. I think it's the best of my navies. And although I do have a navy shell, which is very cool. And I'm thinking that these are just a beautiful color, and one that is going to work really, really well. Of course, it has the typical Gaziano and Guerlain sole, which is very, very nice. So I'm excited about these. Like all my G&Gs, it's going to need toe plates eventually, and I will have to put them on. But in the meantime, this pattern is just very, very nicely done. And it's a straight heel with a little bit of a pitch. So very excited. Just a lovely pair of shoes and something I'm excited about adding to the collection. So till next time, Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out.